Welcome back. In this short video I'm going to show you how to make a quotation worksheet in Microsoft Excel for the SM1 assignment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this worksheet here on screen, and I suggest that when I finish speaking you pause the video and type in the parts that are in yellow, which are obviously quite obvious. Also notice here at the bottom I've inserted some clip art. The way to do that on Excel is to go to Insert and then Illustrations and Pictures or Online Pictures. Try and choose something that's suitable for an invitation business. Don't worry about these buttons here. Show form, show user form, and show form down there. We don't need those at the moment. So all I need you to do is just to create a new worksheet. Right click down there and give it a name, because it will probably say sheet 2 or something like that. And then just type in the parts that you see in yellow. And I wouldn't do anything else.